Hey guys, I'm Megan and welcome to a 60-second beauty review. Today we're talking about the Curel Hydratherapy Wet Skin Moisturizer, and let me tell you that I am the first to say that stuff like this seems like an absolute gimmick until I tried it. I don't know how this works. I don't know what magic is in this bottle, but you use it immediately after turning off the shower on wet skin. It seems so counterintuitive, and then you towel off. Except when you towel off, you're not toweling off the moisturizer. I don't know how it absorbs so quickly. I don't know. All I know is that my skin feels amazing after using this, particularly in the summer when you don't need a heavy, thick moisturizer. This is your guy. You'd think that it would leave behind a greasy film, and it doesn't. It just leaves behind soft, moisturized skin. And no, it's not ruining my towels. Thanks so much for watching, guys. For more 60-second beauty reviews from both myself and Wendy, please feel free to check the description box for a link to our playlist. We'll see you in another video really soon. Bye. Today we're talking about the Curel Hydratherapy Wet Skin Moisturizer. That's not what it's called. Let's try that again.